Welcome to the Premium Dashboard account. Thank you very much for subscribing. You now have access to premium tools and features that will help boost your affiliate program. In this tutorial, I will cover your featured merchant placement, managing programs and premium listings, the directory, the premium OPM directory listing, browsing and downloading deals, deal alerts, and additional features not shown in the dashboard. So the first feature is our featured merchant section. So your program will appear rotated in the featured merchant placement sections in our dashboard. Your logo will be displayed, and if an affiliate clicks on your logo, it will take them to your profile page where they can learn more and join your program. There are 4 different locations where these are rotated out. The first is on the home page, like you see here. We also have the Browse Deals page, the directory home page for both the public and user dashboards, and the Manage Merchant page, which is only visible in publisher accounts. So the first place you want to go to here is Manage Programs, which is right under the Manage Programs tab. So here you can view, add, and update your programs. So to add them, you would just click on this Add a New Program field, start typing them out. We will use TJ Maxx as an example. Once you find them, click Enter, and then Add on the right. And you'll just have to verify that you want them added to your account. So you will also be able to add some additional information which will show up on your profile page. To do this, click on the details arrow right next to the name. The first is the default tab. So here you can add contact information if you would like, phone and Skype, and then we have these additional premium fields that will also appear. So the premium pitch could just be a really short, quick intro to your program, the things that you would want affiliates to see most, because this will show up at the top of your profile page. For the program description, you could tell affiliates about all the great things of your program and what you offer to customers. You can list the types of products you sell, describe how successful you are, or anything else you'd like to add. For the welcome message, you can draw on affiliates by letting them know what they'll have access to if they join and promote your program. You could list info such as commission details, what type of promotions you offer, and the support they'll be receiving from your affiliate management team. So we have the public commission right here, but you can also add private commission rate opportunities, placement bonuses, and vanity coupon information if you offer those. Just be sure to click Save at the very bottom before you move to the next tab. So we also have the options to add display restrictions, PPC restrictions, email restrictions, and also social media restrictions. So these are all optional to fill out, but of course the more information you add, the better. The last tab over here is for push deals. So if you'd like to push a deal to our feed, meaning not directly from the network, you'd be able to click on this and a form will pop up. So you just include the ad copy. If there's a coupon code, you do that there. Terms, when it begins and expires. If your program is on multiple networks, you'll want to be sure to select the correct one here. An affiliate URL, a landing page URL. If you want to include an image, you're welcome to do that. So the different categories would be a coupon, free shipping, gift with purchase, or a sale. And then you can clear all these categories if it's maybe, just for pet supplies or something, and you can start typing them in on the different categories you'd like to add. So you can make this to all FMTC users, which means it'll be available to all publishers, or you can make it exclusive, which is typically what this feature is used for. To do that, you would just need their network affiliate ID, and you would enter it here, and then it will send them an alert on their dashboard homepage, and they can see what the deal is and be able to approve that there. And you would just click Submit. Alrighty, so that is it for the Manage Programs page. Next is the Ongoing Deal Report. So this page shows all the offers we have in our feed for your program that does not include an expiration date. We've included this report as an easy way to see your evergreen links so that you can let us know if anything needs to be updated or removed. Next is real-time reporting. So this is a report of how many affiliates are pulling your links in via FMTC. That is updated in real time, so you can see how many affiliates have selected your program and how many are active. All right, so next we are going to go under links and tools and head over to the directory. So here you'll be able to search your programs listed here and be able to view the profile pages. So you could type whatever program in here. I'll just use this first one down here as an example. So basically we include just information about your program. We include a logo. If that ever needs to be updated, you can email support@fmtc.co and we could change that. We also include basic information like your homepage URL, your primary category, where you ship to, payment methods. We also have network information, so we let affiliates know which network you're on, and if they want to join your program, they can just click here and it'll take them straight to the network. Once you fill out that program information I showed you on the Manage Programs page, it will appear here, including those premium descriptions and any restrictions you have. For the network permissions and restrictions, we take these whenever we are integrating a merchant and we gather the information from the networks. If anything ever needs to be changed here, same thing, just email support@fmtc.co and we can get that updated in our backend for you. For publishers, they are able to preview deals. If they're logged in and joined to your program, they'll be able to get their affiliate URL here. And then if you allow deep linking, then they can build a link also. Okay, next we're going to go over to the OPM directory. If you are an agency, you will be listed here. And being premium, you will be featured at the top of our directory. And you can also add a description. So you can see here we've got our featured OPMs, and if you click on the name, you'll be able to see information. Also, once you're logged in, you will also be able to edit information. There'll be a little link here to update your information if you ever want to change anything. And then we also provide information about the programs that you manage. Okay, next is browsing deals. So we're going back underneath links and tools to browse deals. So this is where you'll view all the deals we have in your feed for your programs. So here you can search by merchant if you have more than one merchant. You can also search by primary country, ship to country. We have advanced search options. Usually this is used by publishers, like say they want to search for a particular holiday. They can search like 4th of July right here and find offers just for that. But if you scroll down, you'll be able to see all the offers for your program. If you click on the details arrow next to that offer, you'll be able to see some additional information. And if you see something that needs to be changed, like say you need to add a coupon code or change the dates, you can click on submit an issue and then a little form will pop up. Just let us know what it is that needs to be changed and then we will be able to take care of that right away for you. Also, if you're an OPM, at the bottom of this page, you'll be able to download all of your deals. All right, so next is deal and program alerts. So this is a way for you to easily promote your deals through our dashboard. You can also send them out in social media. So all you do is you select what program it's for. You can add the type of offer right here. The start date is when you want it displayed, so say you wanted it added on the 28th, you would put that there. If you would like it shared via social media, you check this box, and then you could share it either Facebook or Twitter. If for any reason the date that you select is taken, it will let you know with a little alert here. You're also able to add images. We have 100 by 100, which will be on our dashboard, or on social media, we just require it's a minimum of 500 by 500. Then you create that alert and then we will go and get that approved. You're also able to see pending alerts, current approved alerts, and then past alerts here. All right, next is account. So you click on account and then settings. You're able to update your contact information here if you would like. You can add some more contacts, or if you want to add some sub-accounts, this is a place where you would do that if anyone else on your team would like access. Next is billing. If you ever need to update your address or your credit card information, then it will appear right here, a way to update that information. Lastly is support. So you can go and you could submit an issue if there's something you need assistance with. You can select different departments, like if it's a missing deal or you want us to add another merchant to our system. You can let us know additional details and then submit that there. You can also go and view your current and past tickets here if you have any and you want to just go and check up on them. You're welcome to do that here. So in addition to all of that, you also have some features that aren't in the dashboard. The first one is expedited deal processing. So a little bit of background, to provide our clients with top quality data, our data engineers, they validate each deal manually. So they check to make sure links are working and the landing page is landing correctly. They test codes to make sure they're working properly. They categorize each deal and they also standardize labels for consistency. So with a premium subscription, all of your offers go to our designated premium processing queues. These are top priority and added to your feed ASAP, and it's guaranteed within an hour. So there's less of that manual processing delay for you. Next is a newsletter inclusion. So we'll include a message about your program in our weekly newsletter that goes up to our entire mailing list. This includes your program description, program details, and we can also include a special promotion of your choosing. So simply let us know when you'd like to be included in our newsletter, and then we'll help you get that scheduled. Lastly is a spotlight blog post. So here you'll be able to highlight your program in our blog. We'll put together one for your program or even your agency, and we can add any special offers you want to promote. So we have a simple questionnaire for you to fill out, and then we'll take care of the rest. A side note, this is available after being a premium subscriber for 3 months. All right, so if you have any other questions regarding your account, please submit a ticket either through here or you can email support@fmtc.co. Thank you very much and have a great day.